Hello, fellow Sierra Leoneans. This Namuna Pekin Basharaka today again. I can today for can talk about right of citizen, and also I get for talk about things happenings around the political party in the APC. But I want to begin with the victory song. After that, I will play other music.
There is victory for us. There is victory for us. In the struggles of APC, there is victory for us.
If you want good hospitals, good roads, electricity for all Sierra Leoneans, better salaries for our teachers, nurses, police, military, prison officers, and all public sector workers.
I not correct. We the people regret. The self don't torment cause of putting talk na debate. The not correct. We the people regret. The self don't torment cause of putting talk na debate.
Oh no. Never scared moving through it. Pull like a baba. Hey, I saw yo. Nobody way, you want for rule for second time, but you don't make plenty people ask. Nobody way, they the masses they cry, but who innocent souls they nobody way. Everything on there, as you talk they say, but una nobody way. Education nasty, light business in over nasty. Nobody way, they don't kill us, freezing tumble then come a kidding. Nobody way, alaki. Salo governments are lucky. Nobody way, nobody way. Records.
Oh yeah. Oh no. It's amazing, no.
Call me data.
Family just too noisy.
All thing when I talk, when I not do. People they cry, people they suffer. Every day send a request to get. This time no be there so. And they work now they pay so. Papa God with a prayer so. But make it pull with the sufferness. This time no be there so. And they work now they pay so. Papa God with a prayer so. But make it pull with the sufferness.
Yes, indeed, Papa God will pray for wake people whip and this sufferness. This time not be there and I then bring and come. Man, they walk and they pay. And upon the way where they don't kill people Tombo, they don't kill people in McKinney, prison outbreak, they don't kill people them, they're not upon the way they will come. And also the pardon torment, two things talk now debates, nothing able to fulfill. But today I guess we can talk about within are some of the rights of a citizen, because as they say, I be done to talk about them, and I get forgot to call my program down full time, big time, so about the country and within the happen. Now, one right of a citizen is that you get rights for make nobody no take the right to life which nobody shall intentionally deprive a citizen. For instance, them people wouldn't go kill na McKinney because of the democratic right. Tiwe na government property. Tiwe be say na people then taxpayer money. They say, "Una not take this machine because na we taxpayer money then take them back and put our and we rights, we duty, we obligation as a citizen for law protect the government property. For say this nothing happy with them because of the money then go all the people then kill them for that one. Then na prison outbreak. Almost the person don't condemn and one of in rights them be done they seize where be say because of the crime we commit them when I go back when I go kill them they. So we they watch back the right to freedom from torture, inhuman or degrading treatment. This like when the old people, the opposition leader, then they go, they torture them, they degrade them, they do this, say all kind lie against them. Then they all na a human rights violation because you don't treat an inhuman, you don't degrade them, you don't try to make the person then see like important or relevant na the community or see and say la possibly then stay now with you get. You back no other. So rights to freedom from the privation of personal liberty, you freedom where you get, nobody no get right for seize am from you. As far you no commit any state crime, you no commit any crime, nobody no get right for seize am from you. So if you then deprive you from them thing and then from your liberty, your freedom, and back now a human right violation. Right to dignity of human. For instance, everybody get right to a dignity, a free and fair treatment in the court of law, in anywhere for make them treat you as human. And then rights then nobody no for take a dignity from you. So rights to freedom from discrimination on the grounds of sex, race, or tribe. This now freedom from discrimination. When they see that they put people in Punjab because they're not timid. That they discriminate people then because them belong to other tribes than at the country. Or then they make people them because then so political party than they. So then they all na a human rights violation. You get right for belong whosoever you want belong. You get right for belong any political party you want belong. Nobody no for only former. And you get right for belong to any tribe. And nobody no for discriminating because of a tribe. And nobody no for discriminating because of your opinion where you or also you associate. Right to fair and equal hearing. Before the court of law, everybody get right for make them hear you out, make you say your own view. Nobody not for deprive you from that right and they for make you know talk your own view. Right to private and family life. You get right for live your private life and family right. And person not get right for deprive you from them thing and they a violation of human right. Right to freedom of movement. You get right for work like you want, for go say you want. Nobody no get right for intimidate you. Okay, rights to peaceful assembly and association. You get right for make you una go able gather together, una sit down, una talk, una try, una come together. Nobody not for make us far no more na a peaceful one, not to a riotous one. Na can do and nobody not get right for discriminating from that one. Rights to freedom of expression and the press. You get right for express yourself freely. You get right for rights whatever thing you want right. Nobody not for try for intimidate you for that one. Right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. You get right for think what kind of way you want for think, and you get right for think differently, and nobody and you get right for belong to any religion you want belong. Nobody not for discriminate you. Right to freedom from slavery and forceful labor. You get rights for be free from slavery and forceful labor, like where the white man they will be done under them as slave as whatsoever, where them be free because of now we rights and then come and say to win Africa. So you get right for freedom of slavery and nobody not for force you for do anything we not feel for do. Right to freedom from unlawful imprisonment. Like for instance, to team be the happy now we count again up to now. You just grab one money, then just cowl you and go lock you. Without police can serve you, without them not tell you crime where you commit, that is a violation of human rights. They're not supposed to imprison you where like the law not find you guilty or they not tell you the crime where you commit, then just cowl you one money, then go lock in a cell. Na a violation of human rights. Right to ownership of property. Get right for own property. As far not to other person you own. No, anybody try for all and a violation of human rights. Right to vote and to be voted for. You get right for we vote for person and for we them vote for you. So they we can tell people them not to all time for the dance being person. One day we then dance for you because you shame we get our right there for we them vote for you back. So right to education. For make you be educated now you right. Not to privilege. Right to work and receive commensurate compensation. You get right for way you work and therefore pay you like the way you work. And you get rights to all public office. Now here we see them, they shark people them because of their tribe, their region, and their color. But you get right for make you hold any public office where they hold. So now I come after I don't talk about that. Though these rights them now we country, but cool they don't be violated, they don't kill people them, they don't do other thing the way now they arrest people they unlawfully and other thing there. This they all a violation of human rights. But let me come now to me APC. I dey try for talk to APC say as NRM and other thing then they within the mandate when engineer for do, we they talk to them, make them do them for make APC be a democratic party. And only when we be a democratic party, we will take this country. But if not that, I'm afraid for we will take this country. This now na picking Bashara Kade left now with one music.
Put the right man at the right place. Is Gake Adeyaso. Some Sumanana in the youth them like. Yes, I. Narenkai leader, ya. We need Nawe County. Narenkai man there, ya. We need Nawe County. In all they pick and choose, it they work for everyone. It they feel for the poor, in they answer any call. Papa Samsumana, now you we want to. Papa Samsumana, now you will let go. We the youth them there for you, Papa, you get no doubt to. We ready for show the love to you, you get no doubt to. Oh Papa, Papa of the nation. Oh Samsumana, we get no doubt to. Oh Papa, you know Papa of the nation. Oh Samsumana, we get no doubt to.
There is victory for us. There is victory for us. There is victory